Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are going to be doing this Bella Hadid inspired hair tutorial. This is for like the girls that like don't know how to do hair, but we're like makeshifting everything. You guys know I do not do hair tutorials, so if I'm doing anything incorrectly, please just cut me some slack. I'm a beginner. I've like barely just started doing like my hair in different styles. I barely started doing my hair in like different ways other than just freaking straightening my hair like always. Like this year, and it's just fun to like have it come out the way that you want it to come out, and like, you know, taking pictures in not a boring way, and I loved it. Don't even mind this little thing that goes on there because it is never straight. I actually just saw a girl on TikTok do this yesterday, and I always wondered how they get like that like sleeked back like look. I don't need it to be perfect, I just wanted to at least look good like on video. Okay, it kind of did it. I was originally gonna do a voiceover on this, but I was like, it's gonna be too fast of a video. I want it to feel, you know, like we're trying this on freaking FaceTime with each other. Yeah, I think that's cute. Okay, so we're gonna take this and I'm going to clip it away. By the way guys, today I'm going to be using all Bellamy tools. I have these little clips from Bellamy. Okay, this is going to be messy just because I just want to clip it away. So we're going to be like this for a while. Don't even mind it. This is by Bellamy. It has like, I don't even know, like 8 interchangeable barrels, but I only kept this one in like the standard size just because I don't use the other ones, but I should have kept them because now I'm regretting it. But like I said, I'm using all Bellamy products today, like this clip and that. You guys can use my code Aidette on Bellamy if you guys want to get extensions, if you guys want to get wigs. For those of you guys that are always curious about what extensions I use from them, I use the Bugatti ones. Highest amount of grams of hair. I wanted that sleeker look and try it out. This isn't going to be like the exact proper way on how to do it, but this is like the I don't know how to do hair type of routine for it. And so I just like to put my hair up kind of like not all the way up. It's not going to give you the effect that you want unless you have shorter hair. Like you put it lower and higher depending on how long like your hair actually is. Mine's getting pretty long, so I'm going to put it right here. Now that I have it secured, I'm going to take these, split it in half as best as I can. My hair never splits. Like out of everywhere, why did I have to have stubborn hair right here? Like, I know I've like taken out my widow's peak a bunch of times, but despite the widow's peak, like it doesn't even matter. Like it's just that little part of my hair will not perfectly go down, but it's okay. I've split her. This is actually really cute. I haven't done this in a long time. I would normally like either curl these or just, you know, if these were shorter too. Such a vibe. But this is my all-time favorite hairspray ever. This is the Chi Helmet Head. I've been using this since like the beginning of high school. It was gifted to me at one of the beauty cons, and ever since then I've never stopped using it because it's the only hairspray that holds my hair like really crazy good. And then I like to put it under just because I have a lot of little baby hairs, and I have to line up the bottom of my hair here because you can see how it's like growing out. I like shaved it. I like cut it and then I shaved it and then I lasered it off. Now that we have that pretty laid down, I'm going to take these 2 pieces and hi baby. She's just staring at me like, what you doing, mama? So now that we have this back here, I'm gonna take out my ponytail. Right now it's looking a little crazy, but I have to do my little baby hairs at the end, and then I'm running out. I'm so sad. I have a bunch of little tiny hairs, so I'm just going to put it back. If I had gel, this would be a little easier. My little sideburns are here too. I just got it in my ear. Kind of a slay. Now we're gonna do the baby hairs, and I'm gonna take some on the back of my hand and some on my actual little brush. I take a spoolie brush because I just feel like it works best, and I like to add some more product with the product that's on my hand. So we're gonna take these baby hairs and split them in half and make them go the way that we want it to go, because I can't stand it. I sounded like that one princess from Adventure Time. I don't remember what her name is. What's her name? Oh, Lumpy Space Princess. Oh my gosh, duh. How many of you guys watch little cartoon shows like that? I feel like those shows are secretly for adults. Maybe SpongeBob is the reason why I am the way that I am. If you don't watch SpongeBob, you are literally unseasoned. Like, come on. Come on. I've made fun of like one of my friends before for not watching it as she grew up, and she was like, my parents didn't let me. I'm gonna take some more on my spoolie. If you guys are wondering where you can get the Chi hairspray for cheap, go to TJ Maxx. Oh my gosh. I think they have it at Marshall's too, but I always see them at TJ Maxx. But like, I see the vibe and it's so cute. I normally don't do like a middle part updo ever, just because I don't know, like I don't like when it's middle part with the bun, but I think I'm changing my mind. I like it, but I'm gonna take my little baby hairs out, and I'm going to... Baby, are you okay, mama? I'm not a professional at like doing my little baby hairs, but I do like to have baby hairs because I have a noggin on me. Like, I feel like I have a big forehead when I put my hair up sometimes. I really don't care, but this hairspray is so good that like it holds even your little baby hairs. And a lot of hairsprays wouldn't do that just because they're not very sticky and they don't dry down properly, but this stuff is amazing. And then just do your little touch-ups as you need. Lay them down. This would be cute just like a little pony, but I don't really like wearing ponytails unless they're like professionally done, like up here and like all long. Now for the actual part that makes it look like Bella Hadid. Take a cute hair clip, and this is very cute. I don't remember where the heck I got this. Oh, I think I got this from a hair extension company. Who knows, but you guys can find some cute little clips like this anywhere, and this is really good quality. Like, these snatch, like they're sharp. Or you could use just like a nude one, or just like one that's your hair color. I usually use 2 clips. So the way that I do this is I literally will twirl it in my fingers like this, and I will have it right here. The amount of hair that I leave out is the amount of hair that I want to curl. So this is like a good size. So it's gonna look a little bit like a poop in the back. You guys can clean it up like however you guys want, but I personally don't mind if I'm just gonna be taking pictures that day, you know, or like I'll secure it like extra down with like bobby pins and stuff like that if I'm gonna be going out and don't want it to look like a freaking poop. Hi, baby. But I, just to be safe, because sometimes it does like to weigh down, I'm gonna take some bobby pins. I always get my bobby pins and like my my hair ties from Dollar Tree because I'm always losing them. So I'm gonna take about like 4. I'm just gonna put some bobby pins like kind of under here. I know it's not gonna do too much of a hold, but at least there's like something there for the hair, or like the weight to kind of hold. Like I said, you guys can clean it up as much as you'd like, but she's gonna be looking like a little poop. It's okay, but the clip really just holds a lot of hair. Bellamy also does have black clips in these, and sometimes I'll take the clip and put it right here in black just so like you can't see it and like it holds the hair up a little bit more. I might end up doing that. Now for the fun part. We're going to be curling these little ends right here. We're gonna be using a lot of hairspray, so be prepared to wash your hair tonight. Tiny little wand. I don't even know how big this is. This might be like less than ½ an inch. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna be taking tiny little strips like this and patiently curl your hair. Kind of dangerous me doing this without a mirror. I've been obsessed with Billy's guitar songs, little like mini album EP. I love TV, and I also really do like, oh my god, look how cute. And I also really like the 30th Day. So freaking cute. I love it. And like really just curl it for like a long time so it's extra tight. but today I was like, I have time, let's do this. But what do you guys feel like? If you guys are a Billie stan, which I'm assuming all of you guys are, because if you're watching my videos you know that I'm a Billie stan, especially if you guys keep up with my vlogs on Keeping Up with Aidette, which is also linked down below. I'm doing Vlogmas, so go follow me on there. How do you guys feel about that little EP? Because I'm obsessed with it. It's so freaking cute. It's really sad, but that's all I listen to. I literally only listen to sad music. Okay, so we've already done 3 little spirals and we have about like this much left to go, so this will only literally take us like 5 minutes if anything. But I'm kind of deciding, like, should I just leave them into like little spirals like that, or should I take them out and like poof it up a little bit? So with hair, I just feel like it's the same thing as makeup, like just spice it up as you please, because why the heck not? It's your hair. What's your guys' current favorite song right now? I think my current favorite, actually I might not have one, because I love all of Happier Than Ever by Billie, duh. Like, it's been my obsession since it came out freaking like 2 years ago. No, like 1.5 years. Dang, that's crazy. Time flies. I'm so sad that time flies. I get really sad about like time going by fast because I just forget to live in the moment, and that's been my goal, to just like live in the moment, because you don't get that time back. And you shouldn't see it in a depressing way, which is what I try to tell myself every single day. But I just get sad because I'm like, oh, one day I'm gonna look back and be like, damn, I miss being 24. I just turned 24, but like I just feel like time is going by so fast. Okay, now we've gotten to the right side, so I'm gonna start curling everything else to the right. As you can tell, I'm not a hair person. Do you guys see how much lighter I am from like my neck to the inner part of my arm? This is how pale I used to be, but I got a tan in Cabo, but it did go away a lot because I was peeling all over my freaking chest and arms. All right guys, we're done, and we have like all these little spirals, and I am not sure if I want to put a little clip here just to have them more up. Should I, or should I just leave it? I think we should do it because it looks a little low. You won't even be able to see like this little thing poking out because my hair is gonna blend it all in. There we go, there we go. We got some more volume. So I decided I want to separate the curls and just like fluff it. Just literally play around with this until you get the look that you like. I'm not even gonna like pull some out. Go ahead and hairspray that girly down. Alright guys, that is the end of today's hair tutorial. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna do a little bit of correcting like throughout the day obviously, but like with this hairspray guys, it's not gonna move. Like, look at this, barely any movement. Like, this is the only time that you want it to be like slightly stiff, because curls like to fall down a lot of the time. But that is the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is a little like from the back, from the side, and it's so cute. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.